Yo, what's up, everybody? It's me, Seabrummer18 here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make an intro. You'll need Legend, Audiomack, and Video Show. Forget about anything else. You go to Legend first. Forget about the music in the back also. Put in your thing, CB Bomber 18. Click check. Click that. And make anything like it's loading. And if my voice is a little messed up, it's because I have my headphones on. Ignore the stuff in the back. That's something you can do. You can do that. Probably what I'm gonna do. You can do that, which is pretty cool. I think I like this one the best though, because it goes from 6 to 18, and then you can switch colors. You download it. Save it. X out of it. Save as video. Well, the thing's downloading. Then you go down. You go to Audiomack.
No, you're not. Move your hands. Out with your fingers. Stop!
Download it. Alright, so then you go over here. You go here, and then go to Video Show. I'm gonna start singing. I'm gonna do quick stuff. First is gonna be Ultimate. Then go here. Go to whatever you downloaded. And you put whatever part in. Click add music. And there it is. And that's how you do it. See y'all later.